Whoa, whoa.
It's one of ones every time.
You don't have
dice
to.
over there?
Good job.
I don't know.
That's karate chop. I lose.
That's
karate.
Kevin, can you get a die
I
from
have
over
to
there?
teach my
That
9-year-old
blue
brother how
one.
to play so we can win a tournament.
Where?
Who?
Using samurais because of the deck's autopilot.
I don't see it. I don't.
The blue one. It was somewhere.
No, it's okay because he opened up gateway. And,
I don't.
The other thing that lets you draw. You know, you're saying every game.
Just take it.
Oh my god. You guys must have excellent pillow talk.
I'll go first.
I think I've said that before.
What house were you at? There was so much noise.
What?
I will be siding against you, just so you know.
Him and
You're
Melissa,
gay.
all they do is like send smiley faces back. There's not even words. Just smiley face.
Well,
How you feeling today?
Somebody was screaming.
Like
or something.
eyes closed. I'm tired.
Go.
This is 19.
Oh.
Oh! How's it going for you?
Go for it.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Oh my.
Wow. I don't
is
really know.
going on?
Oh my god.
Well. Okay. You're about to get skeeted on, son.
Seriously, man?
Little guy in your ear.
Sure.
Elbow just touched my wiener.
There.
Who would have predicted this outcome?
I hate this.
Attack.
Rabbit versus wind up.
Doesn't matter. I'm just gonna detach. You're gonna kill it.
Okay. That's what I was thinking.
Detach.
So, yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Huh?
Yes.
Why can't I draw on?
All aboard the Rafflecopter.
This box in the table is good, right?
The effect?
This one next to your 5 card.
Not even a hard choice here.
Okay.
God.
Oh.
I'm done.
What do you do?
I am done.
You got all yours?
Nope, I forgot my rug. I'm so sick of this.
This is. But leave what?
Get over that. Detach.
It's gonna stay here.
Make it bigger.
Okay.
Swing. Right.
Trip was not expecting that.
Take 200.
Fine. Bye.
Jay's looking through his graveyard.
Good.
He's counting cards. This is not blackjack, bro! Stop counting cards! Don't look at me.
Yeah, a week ago.
What? Do you have ADHD?
Look at Ryan. Look at Ryan. Now look at me. Sadly,
Go ahead.
that is not me.
In my pants.
Because I lost the fuck face, samurai. Because they talk to ICS, so everybody has to make them. We definitely have to clean up. Where's Chris?
Yep.
Where's Nick Taylor, the one who caused it? Where's Nick Cannon?
He's on the radio, bro.
Fucking
Pay
Beyonce.
attention. Beyonce.
No.
Mariah Carey. The hot one.
Yeah. One black chick and one black chick is awesome.
Yo, Mariah Carey would get it.
She's like 50.
Yo.
She would still get him.
She would. O-M.
Sure.
G. I would go.
Oh shit, this is all on camera.
I would go for.
Oh
I would
no.
personally go for Oprah.
Sure.
What?
Ew.
Michelle Obama, you know.
Ew, what?
Just saying. Oprah only
She has
has like.
some nice thighs, son.
Oprah only has like a couple $100 million.
Yeah, that's all.
I can fuck out of her. You know.
Oh yeah, because you fuck her in the vagina without her ass, right? Okay.
Oh my god. Can you stop?
I thought it came out from.
Kevin, you ever watch Bad Boys 2?
You gotta come in her mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, what's his name's sister in that movie?
Wait. Who?
Yeah.
Yeah, Gabrielle Union.
No.
Oh
yeah.
my fucking god. Like, just straight up lay that pipe.
I already did that.
Okay, alright.
Who says?
I think I'll tackle you out the window.
Who says lay that pipe?
Me. This guy right here.
What's the effect?
72.
25.
25.
What?
Did you take something from the war?
Just ask what is it?
You took 200 before that too.
In my life.
What is your other points at?
55.
You guys need to fucking learn how to think counts.
You're really enjoying straddling that broom. Like, oh dear God in heaven. Man. What the fuck? Wow.
Don't smile. You're in dual mode. You're on dueling camera.
You just touched his Johnson. How do you feel?
Good thing I positioned my ball sack on the other side of that, so it didn't hurt.
Wow.
Do something!
Sure. Okay.
Oh, he's obviously gonna ram me, bro. We should have detached.
Sure.
Oh my God, man. Wow. That's not distracting in the least bit. The pot of ever saved your life. Maybe, I don't know.
You have 5, bro. You have 1, bro.
He's getting physically assaulted. He's just like almost getting molested. I don't really know what's worse. Now he's coming over to physically assault you and molest you.
Come.
Just let it happen.
How do you feel about your life right now?
Pretty good.
All right.
This is my ground.
Look at the jaw. Go get it. Get it, boy.
Wow.
Get it.
3,000. Yeah, it's gonna help.
That's a very distinguished face you're making.
Yay. Yep.
I applaud you, sir.
This will never happen.
400.
Good.
Chain it. Chain it.
Wow, man. The pot of avarice all day.
Hey, YouTube. This is what it looks like.
It's not on the camera. Just a little bit off. Just go down. Just the tip of it, you know? Just
I'll show you the tip of it.
just sort of.
Would you play? Just stop. We have like literally 10 minutes to play.
Tell me. Dude, you don't got
6 minutes.
6 do?
Sure.
You guys don't even have time.
Yes, we do.
What's the difference between first and second?
I don't know.
Does it really matter? I don't think.
What's the difference between first and second?
I'll be a pack.
That
This is for all the
first
marbles,
goes
bro.
first.
This is for all the marbles, bro. You don't have time for 1 round. Welcome to Funky Town.
It's a good song. I don't know if your dancing goes with the song that well.
There's a difference between
2 packs? So we just even it out.
No.
You're not gonna be able to go to 3 duels. Go.
We might not 3 duels.
Huh?
We might not need 3 duels.
I doubt we're gonna go into a second duel.
You're in a second duel.
You're in the wait, you guys are in the second duel?
No.
This is duel 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brent.
Oh my god, I even caused a mess though.
Nick didn't. No.
Set. Go ahead.
You don't want that.
Special?
Sure.
Normal? That's
Hey, Ryan.
Photon's hair.
Are you using these boxes?
Fucked.
Let's just scoop it all into the boxes. Oh my god.
Oh, I can't fucking seem to draw anything.
Look at this is